So today's video, I'm going to be talking about the best type of content that you could create for your channel, especially if you're looking to do YouTube for the long term. So let's go ahead and get into it. Welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. On this channel, you'll learn how to be creative, and I'll teach you the tools you need to create. So be sure to hit the like and subscribe button to help the channel create more content like this. Alright, so when it comes to being a YouTube content creator, I think one of the most challenging things is trying to figure out what to create your channel about. What type of content should I create? And is it going to work? And these are all questions that I think every creator has had. And it's one that I've definitely experienced after doing YouTube for more than 5 years, producing more than 1,000 videos. But the one type of content that I've seen consistently, whether it's on my channel or across many other channels that I've seen that has really worked, and I would say is the best type of content to create for the long term, is educational content. Yeah, that's right, educational content. So you might be thinking, what is educational content? Well, educational content could be a variety of different things. You could have a tutorial-based channel like mine. You could have a finance educational channel. You could have a cooking channel. Whatever the case might be, you're actually teaching or educating somebody on how to do something. And the reason why I feel this is the best type of content, especially for the long term, is because this is the type of content that people could come back to over and over again. And at the same time, when it comes to like the amount of pay that you get from ads, normally they're going to pay higher for this type of content versus other types of content like entertainment-based content. Because for people who are buying ads on YouTube, you know, I'm a digital marketer, so I buy ads for YouTube. Normally when you are picking the people that you want to target, the people who are going to pay the most for ads are the people who are looking to solve a problem. For example, if you're looking for how to solve your financial problems or investments, then obviously they're going to pay way higher than somebody who's just going there to be entertained. And so that's really the technical reasons of why the ads pay more for that type of content. And also the more like long-term content-based thing is whenever you're doing more educational type of content, I would say in the long run, it's a lot easier, especially if you have knowledge and experience in that area, to come up with the type of content versus entertainment-based content where it's really a popularity contest. And so if you're focused on an entertainment type based channel, it's just going to be really hard, in my opinion, to keep that up for the long term. And I'm not talking about 1 or 2 years. I'm talking about 5 or 10 years down the road. It's going to be a lot harder for you to remain popular for so long. Hence the whole difficulty of getting into the entertainment industry. Now, there's obviously many different types of content you can create, but I would say the majority of content on YouTube is either entertainment based or education based. And I would say if you want to be here on YouTube for the long term, I highly recommend you focus on educational based content that actually teach people something. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my YouTube tutorials and tips, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. And if you're a creative geek like me, and you want to get exclusive access to more content that I don't put out here publicly on my YouTube channel, then join my Gold Content Creators group, where you're going to get content like this and more for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group.